I'm Ryan Iverson, and today we're celebrating our 50th Investor Breakout Weekly Insight video. Let's talk about what happened this week. Imagine having $70 billion ready to invest, but nowhere to put it. That's the situation Canada finds itself in. The United Arab Emirates has committed up to $70 billion to invest in Canada, targeting sectors like critical minerals, energy, ports, and artificial intelligence. There's just one problem. Canada doesn't yet have enough major projects ready for that capital. According to the Financial Times, officials recently told a UAE delegation it was simply too early to deploy the money because the project pipeline isn't far enough along. That's a remarkable position to be in. For years, the challenge was attracting investment. Now the challenge is having projects ready to absorb it. It's one reason Ottawa has been pushing to fast-track major infrastructure. From new pipelines to power generation, AI data centers, and critical mineral developments. The capital is there. The demand is there. Now Canada has to prove it can actually build. Because attracting investment is only half the equation. Turning that investment into real projects, jobs, and economic growth is what actually matters. After being recognized as the only private company to earn a top 5 pick at the 2026 Bermuda Capital Event, SuperOrdinary continues to prove why investors are paying attention. This is not just an e-commerce company. It's a bet on where commerce itself is heading. SuperOrdinary helps global brands sell through creators rather than traditional advertising. Today, the company supports more than 200 brands and a network of over 3 million creators and affiliates, turning social media into a powerful sales engine. And the business is scaling. Management expects revenue to grow from approximately $244 million in 2025 to nearly $300 million in 2026. One of the biggest growth drivers is TikTok Shop. SuperOrdinary currently manages 42 brands on the platform, with another 40 in the pipeline. The company says one hair care brand grew from about $50,000 in monthly sales to nearly $2 million in just 6 months. There's another piece to the story. Its FanFix platform allows creators to generate recurring revenue through subscriptions, premium content, and live streams. FanFix has already surpassed $100 million in annual gross merchandise value and is expected to account for more than 40% of SuperOrdinary's 2026 revenue. The company is also expanding into Mexico, Brazil, and Argentina, while continuing to grow from its new 28,000 square foot Los Angeles headquarters. For investors, SuperOrdinary offers something increasingly rare: exposure to a fast-growing private company at the intersection of creator economics, social commerce, and digital retail. Read the full SuperOrdinary editorial spotlight now at investorbreakout.com. "50 companies, more than 54 active investors, thousands of meetings distilled into just 5 names. This weekend, CM hosts its 100th capital event as the TSX Venture Growth Capital Event returns to Kelowna, with TMX Group serving as its event's title sponsor. Investors and management teams will take part in CM's signature schedule of focused one-on-one meetings. To wrap up the day, we come together for the Investor Breakout Exchange. Investors compare notes, debate the companies that stood out, and vote on the event's top 5 picks. Those are the companies that earned the attention of some of the market's most active small cap investors. The top 5 picks will be released on Thursday, July 23rd. Subscribe at investorbreakout.com to get the results first and see which companies made the list. I'm Ryan Iverson, and we'll see you next week.